Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. It is Wellness Wednesday. So here's a wellness tip. Eat breakfast and be happy. Put happiness at the top of your to-do list by starting your day with a perk-up breakfast. Eating breakfast does more than give you energy and nutrients. It is a mood changer. Start your day with something that makes you feel good, like oats with honey, whole grain toast with bananas and almonds, or eggs and veggies. No more feeling hangry. All right, so whether you eat breakfast at home or you eat breakfast at school, it is sure to perk you up. Now, please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast we have pancake on a stick, and for lunch we have chili. Tomorrow for breakfast we have a sausage biscuit, and for lunch chicken tenders. Today's birthday is Miss Laura Lynn Kirby. Happy birthday, Laura Lynn. And yesterday, I accidentally left off Miss Green. So happy birthday to Miss Green a day late. I hope you two ladies celebrate today. And I hope you celebrated yesterday too, Miss Green. As a matter of fact, y'all should celebrate all week long. We have one more birthday that we want to celebrate. Miss Moore had her new baby boy on Monday. So happy birthday to Teddy on Monday. And he is a cute little nugget. So happy birthday to him and congratulations, Miss Moore. And I know there is a proud sister, Kaylee, down in first grade. So happy birthday to him. Today's announcements. Make sure you check your grade books and Schoology and make sure you do not have missing assignments. That is to you too, students. Make sure you got everything caught up. The Math Fluency kits are in Miss Spiegelberg's room. You can pick yours up after you have completed your training. I think there are a few more teachers that still have not quite finished that up. That needs to be done ASAP so you can pick up your kit. Make sure you have updated your PLP with at least one piece of evidence by the end of the week. And next week, we have Read Across America Week / Dr. Seuss Week. So we are going to celebrate reading. Isn't that exciting? One more celebration. We just have all kinds of exciting things going on. Friday is Spirit Day for Kate Shepherd at the Skyline Nutrition Spot. So, kiddos, get your parents to take you by there. And encourage them to go by there, maybe even while you're at school, and get something that is healthy and nutritious and tastes good. They have teas, shakes, and other goodies. Me personally, I had an amazing shake from there a couple of weeks ago. Super yummy. So that is a fundraiser for us. 10% of the proceeds are going to come back to our school to help us do great things. So encourage your parents to drop by there and get a yummy, yummy. Some important dates coming up. All this week we have some ACAP practice that's taking place in the Collab Lab and the Computer Lab. Today, also we have PST during extended PE. I believe this week is grades 3 through 5 is doing PST. February 25th, we have Spring Picture Day. That's tomorrow. Looking all spiffy in our spring pictures. February 26th, Friday, which is mid-quarter, so that's the time what everything missing needs to be finished, and the Math Fluency Kit training should be finished as well. And then next Monday, we start our ACAP alternate, which will just be a few students in our school, and then March 15th, we'll start our ACAP summative testing window, and we will be testing through April 30th. So lots going on coming up. Our word of the day is compare. Compare. Compare is when you decide if one number is greater than, less than, or equal to another number. So if I had 4 marbles and Miss Linscomb has 3 marbles, we're going to compare who has the most or who has the least, or if they are equal. Okay? You compare, you're determining if they're more or less or equal to each other. So you may see that word compare. You're just looking at each one and seeing which one's more or less or equal. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.